Hey guys, welcome back to Buckeye Backyard Barbecue. Today, we're making end of the summer baby back ribs. Stick around, they're gonna be fantastic. Now let's get back inside and prep these ribs. So we're back inside, we've got our ribs here. Let's go ahead and open these packages up and get them seasoned. We're gonna use some salt, pepper, garlic. Always like to open these packets, the whiter end first, and then of course it makes it a lot easier to pull the ribs out of the package. Go ahead and get this membrane off. So I've discovered recently that if you start pulling your membrane from the middle, it doesn't tear nearly as much and it's so much easier to do. I really suggest you do it this way. Alright guys, now that we've got that membrane off, it's time to season them up. We're just going to use some salt, pepper, garlic. Nice liberal seasoning on there. No need for a binder, these ribs are plenty moist. Yeah, I said it, moist. Alright guys, now that we got these seasoned up, we're going to stick them in the refrigerator. We're going to go outside and get the pellet smoker ready, and I'll bring you back when we put these bad boys on. See you guys, simple, perfect ribs. Just this easy. Alright guys, we're getting this Zgrills pellet grill up to 250 degrees for the smoke. And we're using competition blend pellets. Pit Boss. Now all we got to do is put on the ribs. 2 hours, guys. 2 hours in the smoke. Bring them back, and we'll wrap them. All right, guys. So these ribs have been on for 2 hours now. So let's quick. We're gonna go ahead and wrap them. I got some butter here and some brown sugar. Doesn't really need a whole lot. You don't even have to do the brown sugar if you don't want. I really suggest the butter, though. You want to wrap them tight. You don't want them to steam in there. All that extra liquid. You put it right back on top of the grill. I do it meat side down, whether you really have to or not. I don't really know. I think it keeps the butter from melting out in the juices. them back in there for another hour, hour and a half. Depends on how done you like it. Okay guys, so it's been another hour and 15 minutes, and now let's pull them off, unwrap them, and we'll put the sauce on. So tender. You guys are pretty much done. We're just gonna put them back on long enough to get the sauce set up, pull them off, let them rest. Alright guys, so this sauce is set. Now it's time to pull these bad boys off. We're going to take them inside and let them rest. Bring you guys back inside when we taste. Now for the best part. Oh yeah. Juicy, nice ring. These are gonna be great. Give it a taste. Some of the best ribs of the summer. Thanks for watching. Give it a like, thumbs up, all that good stuff. Thanks for sticking around to the end of the video if you're still here. If you're not, whatever. Thanks guys.